This was delicious yogurt. We could. Wait, you can hear me scrape the yogurt cup. I'm like, it's that's so embarrassing. I actually have tears in my eyes. Everyone's like, I'm here like, is nobody else this dramatic? Really? Nobody? I'm laughing so hard I'm gonna cry. I'm sorry, I got a lot of feelings and emotions. I'm scraping the cup gently to get the rest of my yogurt. It's Siggy's Simple Ingredients Skyr. 19 grams of protein, bro. So nobody else is this dramatic is what I'm guessing. I've been wondering what that scraping sound. I'm internally screaming. Internally, you're like, I'm so embarrassed. I need to watch the VOD of this, of like me having a serious conversation, scraping my freaking yogurt out of the cup. I was so focused on my stupid yogurt. I'm Morse coding with your yogurt. Imagine, wouldn't it be so wait. Okay, wait. Legally speaking, I need to ask my lawyer this. Legally speaking, if I go live and then I Morse code, allegedly breaking NDA, and then I just plead insanity. I'm like, sorry guys, there's no way that I, silly little goofy goober, would know how to Morse code with my yogurt. Allegedly, that's crazy. Stop. Yeah, imagine Morito, it's like the perfect message. It's like the perfect message. It's literally like the money's in the banana stand, you know, kind of vibes. And it's like, what do you mean you burned down the banana stand? There was $250,000 in cash lining the walls of the banana stand. What do you mean you burned down the banana stand? Oh, that would be funny. There's always money in the banana stand. What do you mean you didn't know there was money in the banana stand? She had the yogurt. She knew how to use it. My stapler. Your Honor, why would I learn Morse code? Your Honor, why would I learn Morse code and tap it on a yogurt cup out of spite? That is crazy. No. Okay, Matara, you guys don't understand. I'm a long-term MataraCon fan. I know that she was giving me Morse code. Hello, you're already a Momo just by hanging out. Tap, 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 Morse code. Tap, tap, tap. Make various motivational posters with just your analogies. Maybe one day. Your Honor, the chances of me breaking NDA with Morse code are indeed low. But not entirely zero. Now that, like, you know, we can kind of joke about it and humor is how I cope with the situation, I just need you all to understand, like, obviously I'm not banned from speaking out. I can speak out whatever I want. The law be damned. Where's my Morse code on the cup? But a lot of people very close to me have been like, hey, let's wait a little. Do you even need to make I Love MataraCon as a woman badges? I feel like no one will want those. Oh, that's it. I'm saying bad things about you in my yogurt. That's it. I'm talking shit about you with my yogurt. I'm talking shit about you with my yogurt. I'm doing things. But yeah, I hope I made you laugh. That's, you know, I'm telling you, lately I have been on clown duty with the girls. Speak your shit, yogurt lady. I have been on clown duty with the girls. I have been relegated to the jester position. I will be playing games and I'll make a joke and then we'll laugh and then we'll cry. And I'm like, yeah, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. So, yep. Yep. I need a shirt. I'm talking shit with my yogurt. I'm talking shit with my yogurt. Like I said, I'm gonna go crazy with it. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with it. But yeah, I'm sorry if it feels a little bit jarring that I'm making jokes. That is how I deal. That is how I cope. But yeah, I just want to say I will absolutely be coping with humor, and yeah, that's just who I am.
It's a gift sub.
How is your how is everyone's day going anyway with post yogurt talking shit into my yogurt?